So guys, let's create this matte gel polish together. So our nails is nicely prepped. Okay, then we're going to be adding base coat. We'll care for 60 seconds, and this is what is given. Okay, and then we're going to apply any preferred color of your choice. For today, I'm going with black gel polish. So we're going with black gel polish, okay, and then we're going to cure for 60 seconds, and then we're going to dive into the next step. So we are done applying our base color, okay, and this is what it's giving. So for the first finger, or for the one hand, we're going to be applying our matte gel coat, okay, on one hand, and then on the other hand we're going to be applying our top coat, okay. That's for today's tutorial. So guys, as soon as you're done applying your matte top gel, you cure for 60 seconds, okay, and this is what is going to be giving you. Then we'll move over to the other hand, okay. We're going to be applying our top coat, okay. You apply your top coat, you cure for 60 seconds, and then we're going to dive into the next step. So guys, this is the finished look, okay. You're going to tell me at the end of the video which one you actually prefer. So guys, we're going to be scooping a little bit of our top coat together with our liner brush, okay, and basically we're going to be drawing any design of your choice. On top of the hand, we applied our matte gel polish. So guys, like I said, just draw any freestyle or any design of your choice, okay. As soon as you're done, you're going to cure. So that particular brush was not actually giving me what I want, so I actually changed the liner brush, okay, and then I used this wooden liner brush. So you can use anyone that works well for you. So guys, if you are watching this video up to this extent, that means you're actually enjoying this video. So please give me a thumbs up and subscribe if this is your first time coming across this channel. Please help me subscribe and turn on your post notification, okay, so you can get notified whenever we upload a new video. For my returning subscribers, thank you so much for always coming back and support me. Thank you so much. So like I said earlier, just draw any freestyle. Guys, I was just playing with the brush. Just draw what your instinct tells you to do, okay? So as soon as you're done, okay, you're going to cure for 60 seconds, okay, and yeah, and we're going to move over to the second hand. This is what it's giving, guys. So we're going to move over to the second hand, and for the second one, we're going to be scooping a little bit of our matte top gel, okay. Yeah, the first one we scooped the top coat. Now we're going to be using the matte on top of your top coat. Yeah, just the same method, and then we're going to be applying just the same method. Draw any freestyle design of your choice, okay. But this time around, on the other hand, we're using our matte gel on top of the finger we applied top coat, okay. As soon as you are done, you cure for 60 seconds, okay. And yes, this is what it's giving, and that's it for today's tutorial, guys. Today's tutorial is actually very simple and easy, okay. So tell me in the comment section, which one do you actually prefer? Do you prefer the matte gel on top of the top coat, or you prefer the top coat on top of the matte gel? You can tell me in the comment section what you think about this video, and guys, we'll see in our next video. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more tutorial videos like this, okay. Bye and thank you for watching.